Hi, let us understand how to use Docker Hub registry to add our images. If you don't have an account with Docker Hub, you can register a free account with Docker Hub and you can add public repositories as a part of Docker Hub registry. Let's have a small demo on how to add images into the Docker Hub registry. Let me check the images available. Now I'm going to pull Alpine and rename it so that I can add it into the Docker Hub registry. Let me pull Alpine and I'm going to tag it with the complete namespace, that is the user ID / and then the image name to get added. Here we don't need to mention the port number as it is running in port 80. I'm renaming the Alpine image with the namespace Muthu for all, that is my user ID and the custom image name that I wanted to get added into the registry. Now I need to log in. Let me do Docker login. I can use the username and the password. The encrypted password will get stored in this specific location so that I don't need to do the login next time. And in case if I am changing the password or if I want that to be removed for security purpose, I can go ahead and change the configuration file available over here. Let me go ahead and push this particular image. So it should get pushed and it should provide me the digest of that particular image. Let me refresh the Docker Hub registry and check whether the repository available or not. Yes, I do have. So the latest is the tag. I did not add any tag, so it got added as latest. Now let me go ahead and remove the local image and pull from the registry. Docker image ls. So I'm going to remove this particular image, Docker image rm, the image name. I don't have the image. Now I'm going to pull and it will get pulled from the Docker Hub. So it's going to connect to the Docker Hub and it will pull. Now I can go ahead and remove this particular image from the Docker Hub and try to pull whether it is working or not. So I do have the image locally. Now I am going to remove this particular image from the Docker Hub. Let me get into the settings, delete repository, and it will ask me to type in this repository name for security purpose. It's a delete. Yes, it is deleted. Now let me remove the image locally as well. Now I am going to pull the image. It should give error message. This particular image is not found. So we have seen how to add an image or repository as a part of Docker Hub and how to pull them, as well as how the namespace works for the Docker Hub. And as it is a secured registry, we need to log in, and Docker Hub is a good example for secured registry.